You can export most of your data from AdvancedMD onto your desktop in a database called Microsoft Access, like for example to create any reports you'd like. To do so, go under the Utilities menu, down to Data Export. The options you have is to include appointments and include transactions. If you want to include those additional items, check them. And then also, make sure you enter in a passphrase and a confirmation, like a password, to encrypt all the items so when it's transferring, nobody else can take them off the internet, and if they do, they'll get a bunch of garbage. So type in something that you'll remember, and I'll type in password, and then click OK. Now this may take a while, depending upon how large your database is. And when it's done, you can click the download button to save it to our desktop. Click Save again. Click on the desktop button here so you can see your desktop, and then it will have some name here. That's okay. Go ahead and click Save. And then when it's done, we can close out, minimize the screen here, and you can see that that's my database from AdvancedMD. Double click on it to run it. It'll ask you where do you want to place your Access database after you run this executable program. You can browse, and again we want it to be on our desktop, so I'll select Desktop and click OK. It'll ask you to enter in the passphrase, and if you remember, mine was password, and it's hiding the typing, but you can uncheck it so you can see what you're actually typing here, and it's password. Of course, if somebody's around, you may want to hide it as you type it in. In any case, once I'm finished, click OK. Extracts it from the program executable that it downloaded, and you can see now it's my Microsoft Access database. Double click on it to open it up, and then if you need to, click Open again, and then you can see all the tables that have been exported with your information from AdvancedMD. And tables are nothing more in Access than Excel spreadsheets. So if you want to look at your appointments or appointment history, double click and you can see them all here. Appointments, column headings. Once you have it exported to here, you can export it to Excel or vice versa from Excel back into Access here.